Data analytics for finance professionals. The finance profession is changing faster than ever before. What used to be a world of spreadsheets, manual reconciliations, and historical reporting has now evolved into a landscape driven by data, automation, and intelligent insights. Finance professionals who understand data analytics are no longer optional, they are essential. Today, organizations expect finance teams to do more than record numbers. They expect them to interpret patterns, predict outcomes, and guide strategic decisions. This shift is exactly why data analytics has become one of the most powerful skills in modern finance. Data analytics is not just about tools, it's about mindset. It's about learning to see numbers not as static figures, but as stories. Stories about performance, behavior, risk, opportunity, and future direction. Finance professionals have always been guardians of organizational data, but now they must also become interpreters of that data. They must turn raw information into meaningful insights that leaders can act on with confidence. The ACCA certificate in data analytics for finance professionals emphasizes this shift clearly. It teaches not only technical skills, but also how to apply those skills in real business scenarios. This is what makes data analytics so powerful. It connects numbers to decisions. One of the biggest advantages of data analytics is the ability to move from reactive reporting to proactive insight. Instead of explaining what happened last month, finance professionals can now predict what is likely to happen next month. This predictive power comes from understanding patterns. When you analyze trends, behaviors, and anomalies, you begin to see the deeper truth behind the numbers. You begin to understand the why, not just the what. Data visualization is another essential skill. A well-designed dashboard can communicate more in 5 seconds than a 20-page report. Visuals help leaders grasp complex information quickly, enabling faster and better decisions. Finance professionals who master visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, or even advanced Excel become invaluable. They bridge the gap between data and decision makers. They translate complexity into clarity. But data analytics is not only about tools and visuals, it's also about governance. Finance teams must ensure that data is accurate, secure, and ethically used. This is why data governance and compliance are core components of modern finance education. Ethical considerations are becoming increasingly important. With so much data available, organizations must use it responsibly. Finance professionals play a key role in ensuring that data is handled with integrity and transparency. Another major shift is the integration of AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming finance by automating repetitive tasks, identifying patterns humans miss, and generating insights at incredible speed. But AI does not replace finance professionals, it empowers them. The real value lies in combining human judgment with machine intelligence. AI can process data, but it cannot understand context, ethics, or strategy. That is where finance professionals step in. Data analytics also enhances risk management. By analyzing historical data, organizations can identify early warning signs, detect fraud, and anticipate financial challenges before they escalate. In budgeting and forecasting, analytics brings precision. Instead of relying on guesswork or outdated assumptions, finance teams can build models based on real-time data, market trends, and behavioral patterns. Finance professionals who master analytics become strategic partners. They sit at the decision-making table, not just as number crunchers, but as advisors who shape the future of the organization. This shift also opens new career opportunities. Roles like financial data analysts, business intelligence analysts, FP&A specialist, and data-driven finance manager are becoming some of the most in-demand positions globally. Employers are actively seeking professionals who can combine accounting knowledge with data literacy. This combination is rare, and that rarity makes it extremely valuable. Learning data analytics is not about becoming a programmer. It's about understanding how to use data to solve problems. It's about asking the right questions, interpreting results, and communicating insights clearly. The ACCA course highlights both essential and advanced techniques, ensuring that learners build a strong foundation and then expand into deeper analytical skills. This structured approach helps finance professionals grow confidently. The future of finance belongs to those who embrace technology, not fear it. Data analytics is not a threat. It is an opportunity to elevate your role, your value, and your impact. Finance professionals who resist change risk being left behind, but those who adapt, learn, and evolve will lead the next generation of financial leadership. Data analytics is more than a skill. It is a mindset of curiosity, exploration, and continuous improvement. It encourages you to look deeper, think smarter, and act with greater clarity. When you combine financial expertise with analytical intelligence, you become unstoppable. You become the person organizations rely on for truth, insight, and direction. This is the future of finance, a future where data guides decisions, where insights drive strategy, and where finance professionals rise as leaders of transformation. And the journey begins with one step: choosing to learn, evolve, and embrace the power of data analytics. One of the most empowering aspects of data analytics is that it gives finance professionals the ability to challenge assumptions. Instead of relying on intuition or outdated methods, you can use real evidence to support your recommendations. This elevates your credibility and strengthens your influence within the organization. Data analytics also encourages continuous learning. The tools evolve, the techniques evolve, and the expectations evolve. This constant evolution keeps your mind sharp and your skills relevant. In a world where many roles are becoming automated, the ability to adapt is your greatest advantage. Another powerful benefit is the ability to collaborate more effectively with other departments. When you understand data, you can speak the language of operations, marketing, sales. And this cross-functional communication makes you a bridge between teams, increasing your value and visibility. Finance professionals who embrace analytics often find themselves becoming problem solvers rather than task doers. Instead of simply processing transactions, you begin to identify inefficiencies, uncover opportunities, and propose solutions that drive real business impact. Data analytics also enhances transparency. When insights are backed by clear data, decision-making becomes more objective. This reduces bias, improves fairness, and strengthens trust across the organization. Leaders appreciate clarity, and analytics provides exactly that. In addition, analytics helps finance professionals understand customer behavior, whether it's purchasing patterns, payment trends, or risk profiles. Data reveals insights that can shape pricing strategies, credit policies, and customer engagement plans. The integration of analytics into finance also supports sustainability and long-term planning. By analyzing trends over time, organizations can make decisions that are not only profitable, but also responsible and future-focused. Finance professionals who master analytics often become mentors within their teams. They guide others, share knowledge, and help build a culture of data literacy. This leadership quality becomes a powerful asset in career progression. As the world becomes more digital, organizations need finance professionals who can navigate complexity with confidence. Data analytics equips you with the clarity to cut through noise, identify what truly matters, and guide the business with precision. Ultimately, data analytics is not just a technical skill, it is a transformational skill. It empowers you to evolve from a traditional accountant into a strategic thinker, a trusted advisor, and a future-ready finance leader. This is the direction the profession is moving, and those who embrace it will shape the future of finance.